Welcome to Style Skating. Today we're going to do toe steps and toe hops. We'll start with just simple backward toe step. We're going to go 3 times on the toes, and the last will be push, cross in front into backward crossover. So reach back with straight leg. Make sure you straight your knees when you go up into your toe step, and then bend your leg when you go into crossover. So second exercise we're going to do same, only with turn. Make sure you rotate your upper body and then catch up with your hips into that toe step. Same 3 times on the toes and then 1 cross in front. Our third exercise, toe steps, 2 of them, and then cross in front. So you're going one way, cross, and then other way and cross. It's good for twist and work with your upper body. Now we're going to combine our second and third exercises. I'm going to do toe steps with 3 steps and then with 2 steps. 1, 2 cross and 1, 2, 3 cross. Next one is grapevine. We're going on the toes 4 times and then followed by cross in front into crossover. I'm going in front, cross behind, and then push. Make sure to twist and turn your hips forward and backward. Next one, your feet need to be in 5th position ballet. Try to cross them and turn out. And try to just go on your toe picks around circle, same direction. This one is difficult. Try to not make too big steps. Keep your feet closer together and keep your back straight and head up. So to practice on this, we're going to start with just stepping from one toe to another without turns. Keeping that 5th position and making little steps. Now we're going to turn your hips forward and backward. Continue staying on your toe picks. And then we'll try that exercise again. You can tell that it's much better than first time, and your feet is much closer together. This is just fun hop. You tap behind and then you're doing same as bunny hop. This is half flip and hop from forward inside edge to backward inside edge. It's like mohawk hop, followed by half flip. And then we're going to do other way. When you learn this, you can go quicker, and then it looks really difficult and fun. And this one just waltz jump hop with cross in front, followed by backward 3 turn hop. So waltz jump hop, cross in front, and then like you're going into backward inside, 3 turn, but you just hop through it. And then push again into that waltz hop. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.